Work to bring the egg down gently. And
Whoa.
this is Tiago's container without salt. So as you can see, it goes to the bottom. So without the salt, it
The salt.
sinks.
With the
Does that
salt.
happen with yours? The water without the salt, it
Without
sinks. Now, Tiago, mix first the water. Mix first the water with salt.
First the water with salt. No.
Okay, so Tiago's putting his other container with lots and lots of salt. Okay, you poured enough salt there, bud. And now he is dropping it into his container. All right.
What happened?
Oh, check it out. Is it floating? It is floating. Are you happy about that, Tiago?
Now drop this.
Well, you guys are scientists today. Tiago wants to experiment and add some more salt. If you have your parents' permission, you may do so at home as well.
Sinking, floating.
All right. How's everybody doing?
Slowly. Slowly. Uh-oh. Go. Make it, Lucia.
Try it out. Try it out.
Go. Drop
But gently. Be very gentle.
it. There. Uh-oh. Sabihin mo, how ka, teacher?
How's it going? Is it floating on one? Yes, very good. Okay, remember what Teacher Angel also told you. You can experiment, okay? So you can experiment now. You could get other objects. So we have another container here. Okay?
Floating now?
Another container here. Isn't that interesting?
What does that mean?
You have egg, but in one container, the egg floats.
Water.
And in one
It's
container,
more
the egg
dense
sinks.
because of the salt.
So Tiago also has here a rock,
Do you want to
a
try
ping
it?
pong ball, well, sort of
with
a ping
coins?
pong ball, and a kiddie float. Tiago, you want to check here which one sinks and which floats? Okay, so now we're just experimenting. And you know when you well, you have to see first because it might float even without the salt. You may not even need the salt. Look, you have three other objects and try them without salt first. Okay, so now you can, scientists, when scientists do experiments, what do? They try out different things, okay? They check what works, they take notes, they take notes and they observe. But which one is that, Zoe? Is that the one without salt?
Oh, that's the one without salt. Because the other one is sinking. Every time I put this a lot, it keeps sinking and sinking.
Did you steer? You have to steer the water with the
Yeah, I
salt.
stirred it. I stirred
Is it still
it. But
sinking?
it's still this and salt.
Oh, well, maybe you can add some more salt. So we're just using a narrow container because if you have too much water, maybe you have to add so much salt. You might finish all the salt in your house. Amelie, did your egg get the float? Oh, cool. Look, guys, check out Amelie's. Okay, I'm going to start zooming in on each of your experiments, okay? Let's see how it's going. Okay, let's see how it's going. Awesome. Okay, Amelie, now you can